With a secret document leaked, Cardano is said to explode after a certain event. To know more details about it, make sure to stay tuned so you won't miss a thing. Cardano has already brought a lot of investors great rewards. Since the beginning of the year, this up-and-coming cryptocurrency has risen by 628%. Although it rose from its zenith from the beginning of this year until the third quarter, it has slipped in recent weeks from its peak. Could Cardano's story be over? I believe that it certainly isn't. A variety of catalysts are ahead for Cardano, and it has a solid plan for its future, elements that clearly will support its price soon. It's because this is just the start for Cardano. Moreover, ADA holdings can be staked in Cardano to generate passive income. If Cardano truly does satisfy its developers as it progresses to the final development stage, it may be a 10-bagger. This is because the applications are real-world in nature, the transactions are fast, and the technology has the potential to transform the way businesses are done. A roadmap and peer review give investors a sense of the direction the token is headed. Further, Cardano ADA already has the platform for smart contracts, which recently reached a new milestone for the number of wallets prepared to stake, the 7th largest crypto by market cap. So ADA holders must be very excited as Cardano has just reached a new milestone, and we will be talking about other Cardano news and events in today's video. On the other hand, we'll start the discussion with a quick look at the ADA price on the second weekend of December before we discuss our topic. Cardano's price is receiving mixed market sentiment according to the price analysis. However, despite some gains from $1.28 to $1.30 and an upward swing to $1.32, the selling pressure is again strong, preventing the ADA from continuing to rise. Currently, bulls are having a difficult time maintaining a price above $1.30 because of pressure from bears, and bears are not willing to allow further advancement due to the bearish market overall. With a one-day price chart for Cardano price analysis, the bulls can raise the price to $1.30. However, the selling pressure is high, and thus they are unable to move any further on their endeavor. According to CoinGecko.com, the coin is trading at $1.24 in the third week of December, still showing a loss of 5.1% during the last 24 hours, and a loss of 4.8% over the last 7 days, as the price in general is falling. Keep in mind, however, that cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, so these figures will fluctuate over time. Moreover, bulls are making a nominal recovery, which is subject to being reversed if they completely lose control. Also, volatility is high, with $1.85 as the upper limit of the Bollinger Bands and $1.23 as the lower limit of the Bollinger Bands, representing support for the ADA. And the mean average Bollinger Bands for ADA are $1.54, which represents resistance. Meanwhile, smart contract platform Cardano has reached a new milestone by staking the 6th largest crypto by market cap in the presence of a dozen wallets. Additionally, according to Cardano tracking site Pool.pm, over 1 million Cardano holders are poised to earn rewards. Then, Cardano network users who possess ADA have a stake in the protocol corresponding to the value of their coins. Moreover, they might stake the digital assets themselves to earn rewards by delegating their tokens. As well as seeing its number of active addresses rise over recent months, Cardano has seen its number of new holders grow as well. According to statistics provided by the Messari Analytics platform, there were 485,693 active addresses on the network in the last week of November, before it dropped to 150,476 in the first week of December. It is no secret that ADA plunged below the $2 mark, causing the number of active addresses to reach its highest level ever. So, what are the secret documents that have been leaked that might be of interest to investors of Cardano and keep them optimistic about the token? Charles Hoskinson, CEO of Input Output Hong Kong, or IOHK, predicted that decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, would be coming to Cardano by the end of the year, which has seen record numbers of wallets stake ADA. And now let's consider the new Cardano Launchpad, which could be a great upgrade to the Cardano platform to increase its value. Flick2 provides financing for community media projects using the Cardano platform, and there are millions of creative individuals around the world waiting to create the next big streaming success, box office hit, or Emmy award-winning TV show. Moreover, the availability of content has never been greater, but creators often encounter a stumbling block: funding. Thus, Flick2 aims to rectify this situation. By combining Flick tokens and Cardano staking technology, FLI2 will facilitate the funding of projects selected and voted for by the FLI2 community. Suddenly, for the first time in the history of mass media, each individual won't only be able to pick which media projects he or she will fund, but may also profit from the success of their requests by earning distribution royalties. Further, it will make sense if users who supported a project are directly rewarded instead of media giants getting richer off of distributed content. Additionally, to ensure that FLIC token distribution is a widely distributed and open process, FLIC will be tradable on CEX or DEX exchanges. In addition, FLIC tokens will be staked by members of the community for additional rewards. Also, FLIC2 will bring content producers closer to their fans, enabling the sharing of ideas that will improve the content they create, and enabling them to promote their projects through limited edition trailers and NFTs, which will be distributed fairly to all platform members. Furthermore, FLIC2 can serve as a trusted content distributor for media outlets that wish to secure rights management on the Cardano distributed ledger for the content they have developed. FLIC2 wants to empower content creators by providing them with funding for their projects, no matter how ambitious their plans may be. It's as simple as that. Additionally, the next generation of content will be released to the world while revolutionizing who profited from the distribution of content. By enabling the public to choose which content shows up on their screens, FLIC2 will grant them that right. Aside from this, Cardano has marked the launch of its first ever ERC-20 converter. The project, which had been in the works, had finally reached its launch milestone with help from IOG, the developer behind Cardano. With the converter, the network will be able to support the migration of ERC-20 tokens from the Ethereum to the Cardano blockchain. Development on the blockchain has been ramping up since the launch of smart contracts capability. The network has seen the first signs of DeFi as developers begin to test out their dApps with help from the foundation. This has inspired even more development, with the community waiting with bated breath for the day they can finally access DeFi services on Cardano. On the other hand, according to reports, Cardano ADA's price is expected to rally 30% via a potential triple bottom formation. As such, Cardano ADA should rally by about 30% in the coming days, since it is forming a classic bullish reversal pattern. In a classic triple bottom pattern, 3 consecutive lows are printed roughly on the same level in close succession near the end of a downtrend. In other words, triple bottoms indicate that sellers failed to break below a certain support level on 3 successive attempts, allowing buyers to take over. As buyers return to the market instrument should be able to retrace sharply and reach a higher level, referred to as the neckline, which connects the highs of all earlier rebounds. Following the breakout, the price surged even higher by as much as the distance between the neckline and the bottom of the pattern. As shown in the chart, ADA has painted the triple bottom halfway and is currently rebounding after forging the third low. At this point, the risk of investing in Cardano may seem high to some crypto investors, and we all know that in comparison to Ethereum and other industry giants, it is relatively new and does not have the same track record as the latter. The program does, however, have some strengths and several projects that can pay off in the future, especially that it completed its go-go-in phase with the addition of the all-important smart contracts on the network. As a result, Cardano could potentially become one of the top players in the world of DeFi along with Ethereum. In addition, it will later proceed with the development of the Basho phase, which will significantly amplify the scalability of its network by using sidechains. As a final phase, Cardano will be updated to a Voltaire version that will enhance sustainability and add features that foster decentralization. With these mechanisms, users can vote on the development and maintenance of the network, and by allowing its users to discuss and vote on proposals, funds will be released based on their popularity. Due to these upgrades to the Cardano platform, the price of the cryptocurrency could indeed rise. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.